touch it.
Don't touch it, Mama. Look at the birds in Mama's hair.
It's a pretty birdie, right? He likes Mama. He likes Mama.
He's gonna bite your
Touch
ear.
him. We don't bite, though. Not unless they're threatened.
I think he's grooming you.
Yes. I did shower.
You can't touch him, Mama. No.
Can't touch him, baby. My hair's okay.
He's gonna bite you. Where's the bird? Mama's?
Can you see him?
Yeah, he's buried in there.
You can't make him mad, Mama. He's gonna bite Mama. Okay. Let me give him to Daddy. Come on. Let's give him to Daddy.
Hang on, Mama.
Oh. Here, baby. Put your arm there. Put your arm there.
Lauren, where's the bird?
Where's the bird, Mama?
Where's the bird?